Hello guys, this is Ghost Power Ugiagbe. So today we are going to talk about the things you need to know before you start up a business. You know, there's people when they start up a business, they started their business because of somebody, because they are watching people or their motivational speaker. They just go and start doing what their motivational speaker is doing. So on this video, you are going to know 4 things you need to have in you before you can start up your business. You don't need to start up a business with somebody else's idea. So that is what I want you to understand. The first thing you need to discover before you start up a business, you need to know, why are you starting this business? Is the first thing. Why are you starting this your business? Is the first thing you need to do. You know, people start up a business, but they don't know why they are starting up this business. And it's very, very important to know why you are starting up this business. Are you starting up this business for to please somebody? Are you starting up this business to solve some problem? Are you starting up this business to showcase or make people proud? You know, you need to know why you are starting up your business. You know, a lot of people, they start up your business because of somebody, or because they want to become successful, because they want to work, or because they want to make money. So you need to think about, why are you starting up your business? That is the first thing. Second thing is, what is your business solving? You know, people are starting up a business, but their business is not solving any problem, and that is why they are not making money. That is why they are not becoming successful. So you need to know the problem that your business is solving. So you don't just need to start up a business like, oh, I just want to start up a business without nothing in your head, and you are not solving any problem. Your business is not bringing something to the community. It's not bringing something to people. It's not changing people's life. Because if you are doing any business, it has to be a solution to the people, to the world. You know, anything that you are doing in life, it has to be a solution to the world. So that is what you need to discover. You need to make sure your business is solving a problem. That is 2. 3, you need to know how to run your business. You need to know how to run your business. That is 3. You need to know how to run your business. There's people there, they have a lot of business idea, but they don't know how to run it. If you don't know how to run your business, then you are not a businessman, or you are not a businesswoman. So you need to know how to run your business. Even let me tell you a secret of how to run a business. Let me tell you one big secret that I'm facing every time, the challenging that I'm facing, because I have a business that I'm running. My business that I'm running, the most challenge I'm facing is, I'm so tired. You know, there's some time early in the morning when I want to do something, I want to start, you know, the period I'm supposed to solve something, the period I want to quickly rush up early in the morning, that 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, that early in the morning, or 7 o'clock, that early in the morning, to quickly go and solve some problem, or meet my customer, to quickly do something and make money, or solve a problem that money on that my business. There's tiredness that is coming. That is the first thing that is coming into. I don't know what is coming inside you, but you need to fight against what is coming against you that is blocking that your business. Because there is always a blockage in a business. There is something that makes you to feel like, oh, this is not me, I'm not doing me. Sometimes when problem like that come, it's not that you are not doing you. It's because there's a challenges, and there's a power that is inside you telling you that you cannot do this. This is not you. You have to discover you. You don't need to allow that power to overcome you. To come on you. You need to make sure you kill that power and hit that power. By how to kill this power is motivation. You have to be motivated. You have to be ready. You have to do it anyway. Don't say that, oh, because I didn't do it the way it's supposed to be. No, you cannot do everything 100%. There's nothing in this life that is 100%. There's some things in this life, it will end up in, let me say, 95%. 95%. There's no even 99. There's no 99 business there's no 99 things that you can do in your life or in your business that you say, okay, I got everything I wanted. I got everything I needed. Even when you got what you wanted, you will still be fighting for more. You will still be working for more. So that is the third things you need to know about business. And the fourth thing, you need to care about the people you are serving this your gift or this your business to. You need to care about the people you are serving this your service to. There's a lot of people, they are doing business, they are only interested on the money. Don't be interested in just the money. You have to be interested on the people more than the product, or more than that your business. Why did I say this? Because they are the one that is making that your business to do what? To grow. If you have any business, or let me say, for example, you have a restaurant. What will you do? If you cook the food and nobody is eating it, then who are you? There's no restaurant that is existing in that situation or in that extent. So that is why I'm saying that you need to make sure you are caring more to the audience, the people that is consuming your product, than the business. Because if you are able to care about them, the business will grow. Because if you put the business first every time, oh, I want this business to grow, I want this to grow, yes, your business will grow, but you need to care about the things that is bringing value to that your business. If you care about the things that are bringing value to that your business will grow. Because what is making business to grow is the value that you are putting to the people that is consuming your product. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. I hope that you enjoy it, and I want to end it from here. All I just want from you now is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think about this video. If this really motivates you, if this first strategy really first secret really motivate you and help you in this or in that your business you want to start, just leave me that comment in the comment section below. This is Godspower Ugiagbe. I'm going to end it from here. Like I said, don't forget again, hit that like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will see you on my next video.